the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is requiring masks to be worn on all forms of public transportation starting Monday night. The order applies to passengers and crew members for all forms of public travel within the United States, but also when traveling into or out of the country. The rule also applies to transportation hubs like airports and train stations. The order follows an executive order from President Joe Biden last week that required masks on airplanes and on federal property. The mask mandate comes as, on average, confirmed infections, deaths, and hospitalizations all continue to fall in the United States compared to 2 weeks ago. That's according to data compiled by the New York Times. Today, Maryland became the second state to report a case of the South African coronavirus variant. South Carolina reported the first U.S. cases on Thursday. In a statement, Maryland's governor said, quote, "The individual has not traveled internationally, making community transmission likely." Nearly 28 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines have now been administered, according to the CDC. On average, about 1.3 million shots are being given each day. Yesterday, Johnson & Johnson said that its one-shot vaccine was 66% effective at preventing moderate to severe illness, not as strong as the two-shot vaccines already approved, but still helpful as states experience vaccine shortages. If approved, the company says it would supply 100 million doses to the U.S. by June. In Wuhan, China, where the coronavirus first emerged more than a year ago, a team from the World Health Organization continued its investigation into the origins of the pandemic. On its second full day on the ground, the group visited an exhibition site and a hospital that treated patients in the early days of the pandemic.